What's good, my people? It's your boy Terrence Carter. TC Talks TC Fitness. And I'm gladly here with y'all. Back at it again with another YouTube video. Now, I'm just now getting off work. And I'm about to, head home. And then spend some quality time with the family. Today's video, I do want to talk to you guys. And just express to y'all the truth, because some people are going to continue to be in la la land and be in denial of the truth, but listen, man, working these jobs, bro, this is honestly just for like some type of stability in your life, and it's not going to get you super duper wealthy. You know what I'm saying? This is why a lot of people live like paycheck to paycheck, because you're not like, I'm just be honest and raw with y'all, bro. When you making low wages, because to some people $20 an hour may seem like a lot, but to me, I constantly know it's not a lot, especially living out here in New York City. When you're making low wages, bro, you're not, it's not gonna help you really get rich and wealthy, bro. What's gonna help you get rich and wealthy is learning a high income skill, all right, and working on your own craft. You know what I'm saying? Now, some people have this fear-based mentality where they feel like if they try to work on something, it's not going to work out. But that keeps you stuck. That keeps you very, very stagnant. And that stops you from actually trying. Do you honestly think that people like Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg and Jeff Bezos and freaking Warren Buffett, do you think that dumb people was like, oh, it's not going to work out? Nah, they actually took a chance on themselves, and they are literally some of the richest people. Well, Elon Musk is the richest person in the world, Warren Buffett, he's been the richest man in the world. He was the richest man in the world since I was a kid. You know what I'm saying? And I was about to say Bill Gates, but I don't like Bill Gates. Yeah, y'all should already know why. If you know, you know. But we got to realize, bro, like, we have to teach ourselves high income skills. We got to teach ourselves how to invest our money. Because rich people, wealthy people, they have money working for them. Rich and wealthy people, they own the corporations that we work for. You know what I'm saying? And they provide jobs. Like, so a lot of people have this negative mentality when it comes down to rich and wealthy people. And that's why they're going to forever be broke, mentally. There should be no reason why any of y'all dislike rich or wealthy people. And y'all feel as if they supposed to just, y'all should give us money. No, bro. Go learn how to make money outside of your job. Real talk. I tell y'all this often, bro. Financial literacy is not taught for a reason, bro. Nobody teaches you how to own assets. Nobody teaches you about taxes. Nobody teaches you how money truly works, bro. You just might learn how to get money. You might only know it through a job or being an entrepreneur, But if you understand the power of compound interest, if you understand the power of your mind and your mindset, like, when I tell y'all, bro, I'm positively addicted to the grind of investing in the stock market, bro. I'm positively addicted to it because I know that this is my road to financial freedom. Real talk. And when I reach milestones, it makes me happy. It makes me happy, bro. Honestly speaking. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm literally a self-taught person. I may like watch like Wall Street Trapper, or I may watch like Aristotle Investments. I may learn from them, right? I'm in a couple group chats and stuff like that. But studying the charts and all that, I do that by myself. Me and Mars, we be studying the charts. We be talking about stocks. And it's fire, bro. To me, it's fire. It's amazing to have a lady that invests. That's just my personal opinion, bro. Because that's like y'all building wealth together. You know what I'm saying? And y'all should want to find that with a compatible partner, Building wealth, right? Talking about stocks, not talking about entertainment, TV, freaking stupid stuff. Like, nah, bro, we here living on a financial planet where everything around you is money, And the only way that you really gonna make it through the financial matrix is learning how money works and delaying your gratification. You know what I'm saying? The W-2 job was not created to make you wealthy. Yes, you could get a pension and you could get your 401k and they could give you a match with your 401k, X, Y, and Z, whatever. But it takes too long to make money. And your life is dependent on the job because your 401k is attached to it, your health insurance, all that stuff is attached to the job. So if you lose the job, now you lose the 401k and you lose the benefits. So you got to teach yourself. Number one, take care of your health. Work out in the gym. Go do some push-ups. Go do some pull-ups. Work out. Get your body right. Get your mind right. All right? Number two, work on yourself spiritually. We are spirits, bro. We are spiritual beings having a 3D human experience, bro. You're not your physical body. You're just you're in your body. But you are a spirit. You are the source. You understand what I'm saying? Work on your connection with yourself. Work on your connection with God, bro. Stop living life in fear. Stop living life being afraid to take risks. Because those that are afraid to take risks, you ain't never going to get ahead in life, bro. It's never going to happen. Number three, move with strategy. Move with strategy, bro. Move strategic. You understand what I'm saying, bro? You understand what I'm saying? Move with strategy. All right? A lot of us, we pray for money. No, pray for wisdom. Pray for knowledge. Pray for understanding. Don't pray for money. Don't sit there and pray to God and say, God, can you please give me some money? Bro, God ain't about to listen to that prayer, bro. And even if he do, let's just say God blesses you with a lump sum of money. Are you going to be a good steward to it? Let's just be honest, bro. Are you going to be able to steward that? Right? Because the same people, they win the lottery, and then what? A couple years later, they go broke. Why? Because they never knew how money worked. They just wanted to buy a whole bunch of stuff. If you have the consumer mindset only, and it's just, I'm going to make money just to buy a whole bunch of stuff, you're not going to get rich or wealthy, bro. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. But if you have the mentality of, all right, how can I have this money grow? What real estate can I own in the stock market? Or even if you purchase a building or something, like do something smart. That's going to help your money grow, bro. Consistently. You know what I'm saying? Number four, have faith in the unknown. Right now, I'm in unknown territory, bro. In the stock market, in life. Like, I've been going through the most uncomfortable moments in life, bro. But it's been teaching me how to mold and grow into a better version of me. You know what I'm saying? I've been feeling a little bit overwhelmed. But that's a part of me growing. That's a part of me evolving. You know? I've been feeling like I got a lot more responsibility because I've been taking the stock market very, very serious, bro. And when you start making, when your portfolio is growing, now that's building more responsibility on yourself. All right? Real talk. Number five, y'all need to get on retention. If you're not retaining your energy, bro, you're losing out on so many benefits in life. You're not really in your natural state of mind because you're just so dopamine addicted. When it comes down to watching PMO videos and stuff like that, bro, you have to block that stuff out. You got to block out distractions. Bro, I don't even watch TV. That's how real it is. Only thing I watch to keep it 100 with y'all, bro, is YouTube. Y'all can say YouTube is TV, but YouTube, you can search up whatever you want, bro. You could learn off of YouTube. You'll probably learn more from YouTube than you would in school. Of course, you gotta pay attention to who you listening to on these apps, right? But you'll definitely learn a lot on YouTube. That's a fact. That's a fact, bro. Always keep your connection to God, bro. That was supposed to be number one, but I'm gonna add that to it. Always keep your connection with God. Like I said, ask God for wisdom and understanding. Don't pray for money, bro. Money solves money problems. Point blank, period. And it amplifies who you are, bro. Some people walk around the planet, they feel like, I'm the best person in the world because I got X amount of dollars. Okay, that's good. Some people feel as if, how can I help other people because I got X amount of dollars? You know? And honestly speaking, bro, anybody can make money. Anybody can learn how to keep it. Anybody can learn how to invest it. It's just, are you going to take the journey serious? And now you're going to start telling yourself the truth. That, all right, no matter how much hours I put into this 9-to-5 job, I ain't going to get rich off this, for a fact. I don't care if I make $20 an hour, $30 an hour, $40 an hour. It's not going to help you get rich. You could, over $40 an hour, you could probably make decent money, right? But I'm talking about rich, like $500,000 a year, touching $1 million a year, like stuff like that. It ain't gonna happen in a 9 to 5, right? But it can happen with a high income skill. You can put your money. I can't tell y'all what to do with y'all money. Let me say that, right? I ain't your financial advisor. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. But what I will say is, put your money into the stock market. I don't care, bro. I don't care who you are. The wealthiest people own assets. The rich people own assets. They're not sitting here spending their whole entire life working for money like me and you. They're not doing that, right? But even right now, off the clock, I'm not at work. My money is still making me money because it's in the market. You know what I'm saying? And I just want to teach more people, bro. I'm not the financial guru. I'm not one of them financial guru channels. I'm not a millionaire. I'm not even a 6-figure in the market yet. You feel me? But the point is, I've been learning the habits. I've been learning how to rewire my brain, rewire my mind, like reprogram my mind, and look at money totally different. Look at myself totally different. You feel me? Let me know. You know what I'm saying? And just really taking a chance on myself, right? At the end of the day, I do want to get rich and wealthy, right? I do. I want that for myself. I want that for my spouse. You know, I want that for my family. Real talk. And you should want that too. Nobody should be out here just wanting to struggle, just making a little bit of money, just getting by, living paycheck to paycheck, just making enough just to pay your bills, and that's it. Like, nah, that's not what life is designed to be. You know what I'm saying? That shit becomes really very, 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 very mentally draining. You know? Nobody wants to live like that. Everybody should want to think in abundance. You know, look at how abundant life is itself, and really, really, really like want more for themselves, bro. And there's nothing wrong with that. Don't let somebody try to gaslight you and tell you, oh, you're being greedy. Oh, you should just settle. Oh, you should just be grateful that you're making $20 an hour. That's cap, right? That's cap. Yes, I'm grateful for that I have a job. You know what I'm saying? But I know that my inner entrepreneur says, bro, keep on investing. Teach more people about investing in the stock market. Stack your assets. The assets is the only way people get rich. Owning assets, owning real estate, running a business. YouTube, I consider it my business. Real estate, I invest into real estate in the stock market. And in my assets, that's it. And it's just stay consistent. Stay consistent. Stay consistent. Just like GTA. Y'all be putting in the cheat code, GTA, just to get money. Listen, you need to put in the real life hack, which is own stuff. That's it. Ain't no way around it. Stop delaying the process, meaning stop like, oh, I'm waiting for the perfect moment to invest. Nah, bro, you need to do it now. And do it for the rest of your life. Point made period. Alright? But yeah, the truth is, the job won't ever get you rich, bro. I don't care how much money you think you're making. You gotta remember, bro, with the W-2 jobs, bro, they always take out so much taxes, for a fact. And I hate it so much. But I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking out with me. Let's keep growing on the YouTube platform. Alright? If y'all embracing the truth, give the video a thumbs up. If y'all want to be lied to, go watch somebody else that's gonna tell you everything is gonna be okay. Just stay there for 50 years and then get a little retirement party, you know. Happy retirement. Alright? Hold on, one more thumbnail, y'all. But yeah, it's your boy Terrence Carter. TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.